Swan's Plumbing Services? Look, man, do you habla inglés? Alright, bro, look. My shitter is backed up, man. It's an emergency, bro.
Perdóname, yo no sé decir palabras. Con finura como tú hablas, no fui a la universidad. Pues mírame, soy un muchacho de campo. Solo sé que te amo tanto.
I'm a plumber, okay? Today we plumbing.
Tú no eres plomo, pinche mentiroso.
Well, today I am, okay? So shut up. Line up, perfect. Oye! Hello? Come on, kids, come on. Let's go. It's fine. No sé qué hacer. How to unclog a toilet. Squeeze it together. What you mean? I'm not putting my hand in the pool. Come on, that shit. It's break time. Oh! Look, man, are you done, bro? Your kids are getting in my stuff, man. I'm on my finish, sir. I'm trying to leave, man.